Things to do before you kick the bucket. Most people believe you only live once. So as they say, carpe diem, seize the day. Being held back by hesitation and fear keeps you from achieving your goals and making the most out of your life. If this is you, then you need to stop living in the self-made prison called fear. Yes, being afraid is normal, but don't let it keep you from enjoying and enriching life. Life is too short. Don't be afraid to lose your security blanket. Here at Lux Diva, we want you to conquer your fears, try new things, and find a happier version of yourself. Here are some exciting things we should all do before we shuffle off this mortal coil. Welcome to Lux Diva, the place to dream, learn, and improve your life. Number 1. Road trips. Going on road trips is an experience that lets you enjoy different places while having autonomy. Can you imagine yourself telling your grandkids that you have never gone on a road trip? It would be such a pity if that happens. Imagine all the fun, irritating, funny, and wonderful memories you'd miss out on. The idea of packing your things and hopping in a car while you blast your favorite song with your loved ones is such a timeless notion for a perfectly splendid vacation. Traveling by car is not just a fun experience, it also has other benefits. You can't deny that there's just a sense of freedom in being able to set off for a new place, camping or renting a new place somewhere you have never been before. It is just such a charming experience. Going on road trips can also be a good way to mend a strained relationship with a friend, a lover, or a family member. It enables you to grow as a person. This could just turn out to be one of your fondest memories to look back on. Number 2. Enjoying meteor showers. The world is such a beautiful place if you know where to look. Have you traveled all the countries around the globe? How about changing things up? It's time for you to change your perspective and look up. If you think that stargazing is magical, imagine how much more magic meteor showers can bring. So why not schedule a date with a special someone? It will make you see the world in a new light. All it takes to remember that the world isn't all that gloomy, cruel, and dreadful is to enjoy a meteor shower. It's a sign that the universe is filled with beauty and magic. We need to start looking at different places. Watching a meteor shower is also a good chance for you to divert your attention from the hardships you're having. Fortunately, meteor showers aren't as rare as you think. In fact, there are 2 major meteor showers each year: the Perseid and the Leonid meteor showers. The Perseids are probably the most popular among meteor hunters. You can enjoy them every summer between July and August in the Northern Hemisphere. Depending on the year, they normally peak around August 11 to 13. Not free in July and August? Then try not to miss the Leonids in November. This cosmic event might just serve as the highlight of a mundane year. Number 3. Find romance. Can you imagine being perpetually single? That would pretty much suck and feel lonely. Imagine going to reunions and family get-togethers alone. Love is an extraordinary emotion that touches people on an emotional, spiritual, and physical level. Imagine having someone by your side to share your happy and sad days with. Imagine finding that person that just completes and compliments you. Being successful would feel twice as joyous, believe us. Love is wanting to devote your entire life to only one person. It's not about needing to spend every second, every moment with them. Yes, it's wanting to spend most of your time with that special someone while giving them a sense of security and affection, exactly as they make you feel. Life is short, but it's filled with hardships, and it just becomes a lot easier to breathe and enjoy life when you have the support of the person you love. If you haven't truly experienced being in love, it can be hard to fully understand. Which is why this is one thing you need to experience at least once. Number 4. Spend a month overseas. Staying in your home country for the entirety of your lifetime minimizes your exposure to various cultures and ways of life. Yes, you may think that you can experience other cultures by reading, surfing the internet, or going to the cinema. But nothing compares to exploring a foreign country and experiencing a whole other way of life directly. Talking to someone from another country and learning about their culture from them while living on their land is surely going to be an experience to remember. Being abroad teaches you to value your way of life and provides an opportunity to develop your understanding of people. This could also serve as an opportunity for you to develop new taste and see new and unique places. Fly to a different time zone, find new friends, and adopt a fresh perspective on life, all of which will influence who you are and how you view life. Number 5. Overcome your stage fright. Each of us should get the opportunity to speak in public and express important ideas at least once in our lives. Why, you ask? The answer is actually simpler than you think. This is because public speaking educates you on how to convince an audience to support you or support your ideas. Moreover, it's also a good way to learn how to properly articulate your words in straightforward and persuasive ways. Try to imagine yourself needing to defend yourself in front of a lot of people. If you don't know how to speak on a stage, your situation may get worse. But if you have perfect control over your words and body language, the crowd might end up loving you. Sometimes, words really are mightier than a sword. Speaking of words and talking to a crowd, here's number 6. Number 6. Learn a language. Language learning is a difficult feat, but it's worthwhile because it can end up transforming your life. If you love traveling around the globe, this is definitely a skill that you must learn. Additionally, it really uses the brain muscles, making it learn new vocabulary, grammar rules, and of course, a new and fascinating manner of speaking. What's more, you may be exposed to interesting people and ways of life through studying new languages. People who grew up in a different environment will surely have fresh and unique points of view. Wouldn't it be so cool and exciting to have friends who are from another culture? And to speak their language? You're opening yourself up to different opportunities. The sky's the limit. Fear and waiting encourages stagnation and prevents us from seizing opportunities. Not only do you deserve to live without fear, but it is also entirely within your power to do so. It's time to start living a life you won't regret. Carpe diem, dear viewer. Now, among these, which do you think are you most likely to do? Did we miss any outside of the box or exciting activities on our list? Share your thoughts down in the comment section below. We'd love to hear what you think. You've done it again. You've made it to the end, and so here is your bonus item. Number 7. Swim with sharks. This one will certainly make your heart race. If you ever wish to experience joy, fear, and caution all at once, this one's for you. Okay now, forget about Jaws. Even though the thought of swimming with sharks is terrifying, it's actually relatively safe to swim in waters with sharks. Just make sure that there's an expert with you just in case unexpected things happen. Compared to a typical snorkeling experience, this is without a doubt more exciting. You will also feel more recharged afterward. You have to admit it sounds pretty awesome, huh? Then, what are you waiting for? As soon as this video is over, start planning your trip. And that is all for today. Thank you for sticking with us. Don't be afraid to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our awesome future videos. Once again, this is Lux Tiva. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.